I know the sun's hot.
So, round 2.
Someone turned the fan off over here.
Kyle's going for a second pull. How you feeling, Kyle?
Remember why you're here.
I'm gonna leave it now. Hey, pulling guy. What's up? How you feeling?
Pulling for a cause.
He's good.
Helping two
We got round 2.
out.
Dalton's pulling this truck.
Pulling for a cause. Pulling for a reason.
First time
Don't
pulling.
forget,
He's got the 5-speed.
there's 2 boards over there that they want you to sign a note on.
Track looks a little iffy.
Just a well-wished,
the 8200 open diesel class.
Both of them. There's a board
Track looks a
for
little
each of them.
wet, a little slippery. So we'll see how it
There's
goes.
also
Kyle
last
did.
count was well over $500.
He was at 2 low yesterday. Did pretty good, but kind of ran out of gears a little bit. So we're trying 3 low today. Give him a little more RPMs. We changed the tune a bit. Bumped up the rev limiter, so he was kind of bouncing off the limiter yesterday. So hopefully get a little more wheel speed and kind of carry it out through the pull this time. So we'll see how she goes. And yeah, we're just gonna send it.
Well, we come back with some big stories. We're going to start in this
How's he gonna do?
Break tonight, huh?
How's he gonna do?
I think he'll do pretty fucking good.
He's gonna do pretty good?
Yeah. Unless he breaks something. I'm gonna go stand over here.
well. Kyle Huber waiting on the green. This is close enough. Quite close enough. 236.23. Robert Pengaleo is how I'm going to pronounce it. Robert Pengaleo. They've got 2012 Ram 2500. And that is the truck that they use to pull their pulling truck.
How's it feel?
That's a heavy sled, bud. That's a heavy sled.
It did good.
Yeah.
It did good.
Yeah, it felt pretty good.
Sounded better.
Yeah.
Guys are coming out of Sled. That's what it is, yeah.
You ain't moving that sled unless you got lift speed. You can't, there's no bite down here.
Yeah, but that guy just spent out and didn't do shit. He didn't even get close to your kid.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
You gotta get it moving.
Like once it starts moving, you gotta let it eat, man. Yeah. I mean, there's no bite down here. 237.
I like 140. That's pretty damn good though. On this fucking track.
How do you like third?
A lot better.
Really? And the tow mode?
Yeah, I ran a tow mode. It stayed in third gear the whole time.
Third lock?
Yeah. Yeah, and I got up there and the oil temp said 225. I was like, oh, okay.
You have to let it warm up.
No, that's what I wanted, because as soon as I let off down there, the truck shut off. It's shut off both times.
Like it did last time.
Shut off again?
That's all right. That's all right.
Well, I don't have a clutch, and you can't, like... Yeah, you can't just let it...
Oh, when you let out fire,
yeah.
How high did it rev?
Huh?
How high did it rev?
It didn't, it was close to the limiter.
But it didn't go to this time because you had a tow mode.
Well,
I felt like it bogged down a bit at the end.
It did.
You didn't bog down in seconds.
No.
I don't know if it's...
As soon as that weight hit,
Oh, yeah.
that was it.
Well, as soon as it started slowing down, I let out of it too. Because when I got down there, it kind of sunk a little bit, and I could feel it. I wasn't going very far, so.
Now, could you tell the difference in the truck or just the track? Was it the track that sucked or the truck because you changed it?
Well,
You went to a different gear
right.
in tow mode.
Yeah.
You think if you'd have done the exact same thing you did last night, this track would take it?
I'm just opening up. That's all. You'll get it.
You'll be fine, buddy. You know what I mean?
The best part about it is you're not going to burn up your clutch because it will start spinning right off the line. Yeah, I felt it spin there.
Yeah.
And then I laid into it right about there.
You ready?
Nervous.
Oh, you'll be fine.
Relax, bud. Put the old coming chummins to the test.
Yeah, just feel her out and hammer down.
That's good. Numerous places start running.
Looking up now is Dalton Boyles with a 2002 Dodge 2500 coming out of Franklin, Pennsylvania.
All right, it's about to get noisy, but you're with a set of earbuds, one by Fort McFadden. We'll run down that list again. Oh, you got a lot of good school. Whoa, coming up a little short, 207. 0.77, 207.77.
They're pretty good. Not bad. Well, how was it?
Oh, I should have went in fourth.
That
was good. It was up there in the RPMs, but
it's a 99.
I think I was boned either way.
He's coming out of Waterford, Pennsylvania.
Did all right.
I don't know what happened.
Sound like you weren't really in the RPM.